So this is our Unity project set up. We have the WRLD SDK imported and also the Unity ML agents package. We've added a world map object to the scene with our API key. Then that will stream in all the world map resources when we start the training process. We've added a target game object. So this is very similar to the ML agents rollerball example, except we've added a positioner script which correctly positions the target on the surface of the world map terrain. And we have our agent ball, which is a sphere that can roll around on the terrain. All the parameters that configure the learning process and describe the space which the agent's going to explore are here. And we've linked up the target object so that it knows what it's trying to navigate towards. So the script we've attached here also includes the world positioning to correctly position the agent on the surface of the world map. Once we've got all those things in place, then we can run training as normal. So we can see here, for example, at the start of the training period, generally speaking, the agent doesn't find its way to the target before the 1,000 steps cutoff is reached and it gets respawned. But over time, it gradually learns better how to navigate to the target. So the episode length decreases and correspondingly the reward increases. So here's a snapshot of the training process running. So we'll see the ball moving around the world map. At this stage, it's relatively early in the process, so it's moving quite randomly as it explores around and learns how to gain the maximum reward. And we'll also see that after a period of time, it disappears and respawns at a new location.